Question 1. A neutron decays by emitting beta particle. A. Complete the equation below for this decay. Okay. So a proton, first of all, neutron is getting converted into proton. So proton has one atomic mass, one atomic number. Beta minus has zero mass and negative charge. Okay. A negative atomic number. And this has zero mass, zero charge. Okay. State the name of the particle represented by this symbol. This is called anti-neutrino. Okay. State the name of the class of the particles beta minus and this false one. These are called leptons. They fall under the class called lepton. Okay, they're leptons. State the quark structure of neutron. Okay. Neutron is down, down, up quark combination, such that the total charge is zero. Okay. Two, the change to the quark structure when the neutron decays. Okay. Now, neutron, you see, it produces proton. Proton, see, it's down, down, up. It will get converted into a configuration up, up, down in such manner that it has +1 E charge. Okay. So this is the combination.